Hi there, I'm Brittany.
And I'm Dustin, and we're with Frontier Basement Systems.
Wonderful. So I know everybody's excited to get back outside after the winter and all this rain. So when you're out there and you're checking out your concrete, just remember that we do the concrete repair. So lifting, leveling, cracks.
Right. So with all the rain that we've been getting, there's a lot of customers that are calling in with areas where it's washed out underneath their driveways, patios, sidewalks, all their concrete. And they're concerned that it could crack, and they're absolutely right. All those things can happen. Concrete does not bend. It will absolutely crack before that happens. So, concrete does two things. It gets hard and it cracks. So, with the system that we use, it's quick, it's fast, it's easy, it's fairly inexpensive, typically less than a third of the cost of replacement, and it's not going to look bad. So it will look pretty much exactly the same, except for the fact that it's going to be level, your cracks will be filled in, and it'll look nice and neat. But you're not going to have that weird, patchy, kind of new concrete look, and you can drive over top of it 15 minutes after we're done.
Yeah, for sure. And I know for me as a girl, I'm thinking all my, if I have elderly family members coming to the house, if I have kids playing outside, I'm thinking about the value of not worrying about that trip hazard or somebody getting hurt. So
right.
Definitely worth having it checked out and getting that taken care of.
Yeah. So we do free estimates. We'd be happy to come out and take a look at it. You can give us a call. Our toll-free number is 1-866-682-4420 or
1 Too Much H2O.
All right. Thanks. Have a good one.
Bye.